Hello guys, today I will show you step-by-step guide on how to convert Lazada coins to wallet cash in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's dig deeper. First of all, open the Lazada app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the account tab at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and find the section labeled Lazada Wallet or My Coins. This is where you'll see your current coin balance. Tap it to continue. After that, look for any active conversion offers. Lazada occasionally allows you to convert coins into wallet cash directly, especially during special events or promos. Next, if you see the option to convert, select the amount of coins you want to turn into wallet cash. Just remember, the exchange rate may vary depending on the promotion. Confirm the conversion, and your Lazada wallet will be instantly credited with the cash equivalent. You can now use this balance for purchases, bills or vouchers right within the app. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Lazada coins into wallet cash. Simple, fast and useful.